there. So I made a lot of material to artists, how they can sell more art prints. I have been doing this myself the last 4 or 5 years, where I sell between 5K and 70K a month in dollars. And how did I do this? Well, it was not easy, but today it's all passive for me. I don't do much. I only focus on doing my art, but then I have a very good team helping me with all the things from webshop to ads to email setup and yeah, all of the things. Today, I'm actually also passionate about sharing this knowledge to other artists, and that's why I'm doing these videos as you see now, and why you can click on the link to see more about the material I made. A very concrete 7 days challenge to-do list for you. I made 36 video guides where I share all my setup. I also made 7 ebooks together with ChatGPT where I shared my knowledge down to ChatGPT, and together we wrote these ebooks, which is very helpful for you. So yeah, try and click on the link, see if it's something for you. There's 100% guarantee you will get your money back. It's only $9 right now, but you will get it back if you don't like it or you don't get any sales. It's very easy. You will get your money back. Click on the link and see if it's something for you. Bye.